Here at Santa's workshop, we have automated all internal logistics this year with autonomous mobile robots, and we're absolutely thrilled about it. Now we have mobile robots running from warehouse to gift production, from gift production to gift wrapping, and then from gift wrapping to Santa's sleigh. The last hundreds of years have been very hectic here at Santa's workshop, and the elves have been spending so much time just transporting things from one place to another. But now, thanks to our mobile friends, the elves can keep focusing on what they're good at, which is making presents. We also have a mobile robot running around with candy for the elves, and that is absolutely excellent because happy elves makes better presents.
I'm especially fond of the candy MiR, because we can summon it via just one click on the tablet and it brings us Christmas candy. I also like that the robots are completely safe. Santa's workshop is a highly dynamic work environment where elves are running around all the time, but the robots just navigate around us, so we don't need to worry.
Before I spent so much time just transporting gift from one place to another. But now I have much more time in production and also to put a lot of more love into each gift.
The robots are very easy to use, and even though they have different functionalities because of the different submodules, they are all controlled by the same user-friendly interface. This has made the adoption and implementation very smooth.
We used to have a lot of injuries because the elves were transporting huge carts with gifts. They have also ensured a much better workflow, and now the gifts are continuously brought to the sleigh. And with 1 billion gifts that need to be fitted into this small sleigh, it's good to have time to pack them the right way. Because of our new autonomous friends, nobody will be missing their Christmas presents this year.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!